Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change App Store to Play Store icon on iPhone easily. So as you can see, now I have a default Apple Store icon. I want to change it to Play Store. First of all, I need to go to the Safari browser, and here I need to type something like Play Store icon. Go and search for the results. It will show you some pictures. You need to go to the images section. Just simply type on images in the top side of the screen, and now here you need to choose the preferred image. So in my case it would be the first one. Just simply open it, and then when it is open, you need to hold for a while and choose save to photos, the second option. Now you can close the Safari browser and open shortcuts on your device. So simply search for the shortcuts and open it. Here, as the shortcuts are opened, you need to click on the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new shortcut, and here we need to choose Open App. Go and choose Open App, and here instead of app we need to click on this app and choose the app that we want to use. So in my case it would be App Store, in our case it would be App Store. And then now you need to click on the share button in the bottom right corner. Scroll down a little bit and click on add to home screen. Now choose from this pink icon to the photo icon, and now click on choose photo. Go and choose your icon that you just downloaded, this or this one, the preferred one. So basically I will go with this one and click on choose in the bottom right corner. And now we will need to rename it, because now this title is new shortcut. So we'll need to click on this new shortcut title and go and type Play Store, and then click on add button in the top right corner. And now as you can see, now we have our Play Store on our device. So simply you need to click on it, and now as you can see the App Store is opened. So basically now we have App Store like a Play Store. So and that is it. That's how you can change App Store to Play Store icon on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.